Hello, my name is Jason, and today I would like to provide a quick introduction to OMNIKEY 5x27CK firmware upgrade. From time to time when new features have been developed, HID provide a service pack to upgrade the firmware of the OMNIKEY 5x27CK readers. Full details of these updates can be found in the OMNIKEY 5x27CK firmware service pack release notes. With the OMNIKEY 5x27CK, there are two items to be updated: the OMNIKEY 5x27CK controller and the iClass SE processor. The firmware package can be found in the HID OMNIKEY 5x27CK developers area. Or please raise a case at the technical support portal and technical support will be happy to help you. Go to the HID drivers website and search for HID OMNIKEY CCID driver. Note, it is essential to use the HID OMNIKEY CCID driver version 2.1 or higher. Download the package and extract the contents of the file to a local folder. The zip file includes the following contents, may vary depending on the update scope: firmware core update, firmware SIO update, workbench update file, all-in-one WBO, and documentation. Ensure the reader is in CCID mode by unticking keyboard wedge enable. The operation mode is set on the keyboard wedge tab in the web server. The core firmware controller upgrade can be completed using the OMNIKEY 5x27CK's web server or via TFTP. Both methods will be described. Upgrade using the web server. Firstly, connect the 5x27CK reader to your PC and access its web server at 192.168.6399. Select the System Config tab. Click Browse on the first row. Select the firmware file *.fw. Click Update Firmware to start the upgrade. Wait for the update to finish. Select the System Consoles tab to receive status/progress information. Refresh the browser and select the General Overview tab. Verify the firmware version has been updated. Upgrade via TFTP. If you are using Windows 10 or 11, it will be necessary to enable the TFTP command. Open Control Panel and click Programs and Features. In the left menu, click Turn Windows Features on or off. Select TFTP Client and click OK and restart the PC. To upgrade the firmware through TFTP, send the *.fw file to the OMNIKEY 5x27CK's web server with the destination file name of the firmware. In Windows, open Windows Explorer and locate the firmware folder. Hold down Shift and click the right mouse button on the firmware folder name. Select Open in Terminal, which will open the folder in PowerShell or Command Window, depending on your Windows configuration. Type the following FTP command. If the upgrade was successful, the command window will display a message, for example, transfer success, XXX bytes in XX seconds. The reader will reboot. Refresh the browser and select the General Overview tab. iClass SE processor upgrade. Extract folders from the zip file. Browse the Service Pack Update package and select the Firmware SIO Update folder. From the OK5x27SAM Upgrader folder, run the program OK5x27Uploader.exe. Then click Update. The update process can take a few minutes. Please wait until the application displays the following message. Commonly known as the all-in-one or WBO method, this updates both the OMNIKEY 5x27CK controller and the iClass SE processor in one go. Download the OMNIKEY Workbench Tool 2.2 or newer from hidglobal.com/drivers and install it on your computer. Open Workbench and select the Readers tab. In the available readers list, select your device and check that the operating mode is set to CCID under Reader Settings. Do not disable EEM. Now select the Reader Upload tab. Load the WBO update file from the Service Pack folder package and click Upload. Note, for additional information, refer to OMNIKEY Workbench Tool 2 User Guide PLT 04346. Here is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.